One of the factors that gave rise to international banking was oil crisis and the impact on US economy. Basically, these OPEC countries, Arab member of OPEC countries had actually control over oil. You know OPEC, right? Oil and petroleum exporting countries. And these nations had dominated. This was an official cartel. Cartel मतलब आपने माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स में ओलिगोपोली पढ़ा होगा. Do you get me? Oligopoly में क्या है? Few sellers, large number of buyers. Entry is difficult, right? So now when it comes to such a thing, do you remember what you learned? You had something called as price leadership, kink demand curve. ये सब oligopoly का characteristics था. So one of the oligopolistic competition is our OPEC ka cartel. Cartel, official cartel means group of sellers. They decide on what to sell, how much to sell, what price to sell, etc. Right? This is officially not allowed, but then OPEC is an officially recognized cartel, right? So these countries, already we saw till the last class that there was problem with USA economy. USA economy में inflation था. You remember? We spoke till that. When dollar was in demand, US started minting dollars and circulating it across the globe without even backing it up with resources, right? Gold reserve, without even backing it up with gold reserves. Therefore, what had happened? Therefore, we saw that the excess dollar circulation had number one led to speculation, which had led to excess demand, excess supply, because of which dollar was minted and circulated, caused inflation in the local economy. And when countries came to redeem their dollars for gold, US did not have enough resources to redeem. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
everything went one after the other, everything happened. Number one, there was speculation in dollar happening, and moreover, dollar was the only currency that was convertible to gold or that was to be traded with. So when that was to be traded with, do you hear me actually? Am I audible? So
Yes,
when
ma'am.
dollar was the only currency to be converted with, there was speculation in dollar, and dollar was the only currency that was convertible to gold. People started accumulating dollars. So when people started accumulating dollars, demand for dollars in terms of local currencies went up. When demand for dollars in terms of local currencies went up, US started printing more dollars circulating. So this led to the local inflation. Plus, when US printed dollars and circulated in the local economy, it did not bother about having adequate resources back, gold reserve backing. So when it did not have gold reserve backing, people came to convert the dollars for gold. It couldn't redeem it for gold. Therefore, people lost faith in the dollar. So dollar had to be withdrawn out of this Bretton Woods system. Number one, there was trouble in US economy because of inflation. Second trouble. Third thing that happened was in 1973, there was problem between Israel and Egypt. All the Israel and Egypt support, all the Israel and its allies were to be, handled. So Egypt as a nation and OPEC, Egypt was a part of OPEC. They said that we will not ship oil to those countries which were supporters of Israel. One of them was US. समझ में आया? If they will not ship oil, it means they cannot directly say that I will not give you oil, but they raise the price. See, dollar 3.65 जो consume कर रहे थे to $80. समझ में आ रहा है? Do you understand? I was buying dollars
Yes,
for
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
3.65 per barrel. Now I have to pay $80. Already I am troubled with inflation. Already my currency is withdrawn out of circulation. There are no gold reserves. People have lost faith in my currency. So what has happened now? Added on trouble in 1980. Therefore, it affected US a lot. And moreover, US में 6% of the world population was there and they were consuming more than 33% of the world's oil. पूरी दुनिया के पॉपुलेशन में से यूएस में सिर्फ 6% पॉपुलेशन है. समझ में आया? बाकी 94% was distributed among other countries. एंड उसमें से भी ऑयल कंजम्पशन देखा तो यूएस में 33% था. क्यों इतना ज़्यादा था? क्योंकि यूएस में तभी पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ज़्यादा नहीं था. एवरीबडी हैड अ प्राइवेट कार एंड मोर ओवर दे हैड दिस सेग्रीगेशन ऑफ रेसिडेंशियल एरिया एंड कमर्शियल एरिया. आपको एक पैकेट ऑफ ब्रेड लाने के लिए भी 1 kilometer you had to drive. So you can imagine the amount of fuel consumption that they were into, right? एंड ऑयल कंजम्पशन ऊपर से 1950 से 1974 डबल भी हो गया. फ्रॉम प्राइस द प्राइस हैज गॉन अप सो मच, राइट? ऑयल कंजम्पशन हैज डबल्ड. सो व्हाट विल हैपन टू द इकोनॉमी? इन्फ्लेशन है, पीपल आर आस्किंग फॉर गोल्ड, so much of problem. So dollar's value went down very badly, leaving it a troubled economy. So this made people started to lose faith in dollars further and started exchanging their currencies, respective currencies, for trade. Then we say again integration of world markets. Integration of world markets मतलब goods market, service market, financial market सब जब integrate होते हैं, एक साथ जुड़ते हैं, we need banking sector also to be integrated. समझ में आ रहा है? बैंकिंग सेक्टर भी इंटीग्रेटेड होना जरूरी है. So therefore we said we will connect with the all the markets, right? Then we will have the banking sector also. समझ में आया? And also that globalization of economies. Globalization, liberalization and privatization. When you're globalizing, liberalizing and privatizing the economies, we would want to be trading with foreign countries. We would want to open our economies, liberalize all the trade rules so that we are able to borrow from foreign markets, trade with foreign markets, invest in foreign markets. We get access to foreign markets, we get access to foreign funds. Now coming to euro market, I already told you what is euro dollar. Yaad hai? Where I gave you the example where I mean how the international banking originated, where people who had the Russians who had their assets denominated in dollar deposited these assets in banks that are in London. At that time, only banks in London were accepting. So this the euro markets originated. Therefore, residing in India, I'm going to have a euro dollar transaction or a euro currency transaction, which means residing in India, I am transacting in Singapore dollar. I will deposit in my Canara Bank Singapore dollar. That is a euro dollar deposit. I will borrow a Chinese renminbi loan. Then that is also a euro dollar transaction. समझ में आ रहा है? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
So that is how
Yes, ma'am.
the evolution of international bank happened. Now, balance of payment is the record of economic transactions between a country and the rest of the world. And these transactions include payments for a country's exports and imports of goods and services. And it talks about investment, borrowing, and any other financial transfer. And when we talk about balance of payment, we will talk about what is a balance of payment, what are its features, what are its utility, and then what are the components of balance of payment, what is a disequilibrium, what are the causes of disequilibrium, and we will also talk about how can this disequilibrium be addressed and some concepts relating to BOP.